Hello friends, today we are going to do cube of 2-digit numbers. We have 4 categories in 2-digit numbers. Our first category is numbers which start with 1, that is 11, 12 starts with 1, 13 starts with 1, 14 starts with 1 and so on up to 19. Our second category is numbers which end with 1, that is 21, ends with 1, 31, 41 and so on up to 91. Our third category is numbers having same digits like 11, 22 same digits, 33 same digits, 44, 55, 66 and so on up to 99. And our fourth category is numbers having both the different digits like 23, 45, 37, any number which have both the digits different. In today's video, we are going to solve the cube in quicker method with the short trick. But today we are going to do only our first category. So the numbers which start with 1. Yes, as you all know how to solve the cube of any number, in simple approach, we multiply the number 3 times. Like you need to do the cube of 9. You multiply 9, 9 and 9. 9 nines the 81 and 81 nines the 729. Okay, this is the simpler way to solve the cube. Today we do the cube of 2-digit numbers. First we need to memorize the cube of first 10 numbers, which is very easy to memorize. Like, I'll write it for you. Cube of 1 is 1, means when we multiply 1 3 times we get 1. Cube of 2 is 8, 2 2 is the 4, 2 is the 8. Cube of 3 is 27, 3 3 is the 9, 9 3 is the 27. Cube of 4 is 64, 4 4 is the 16 and 16 4 is the 64. Cube of 5 is 125. Cube of 6 is 200. Cube of 7 is 343. Cube of 8 is 512. Cube of 9 is 729 and cube of 10 is 1000. First you need to memorize the cubes of first numbers to solve the cube of next 2-digit numbers in a quicker method. So let's start with 12. Now I'm not going to solve the cube in the conventional approach and in the normal approach. I'm going to solve it with the quicker method and short trick. Now I'm going to solve the cube of 12. Okay, if we are using normal approach, you'll multiply 12, 12 and 12. But in our short trick, how to do it? You write both the digits of given number 1 and 2 like this. Now look very carefully. Square of 2. We all know the square of 2 is 4. And on the next place, write the cube of 2, which is 8. As we have learnt, 1 and 2 are both the digits of our given number, that is 12. Now we write the square of 2 over here, that is 8, and after that cube of 2, that is 8 over here. Now leave the 8 as it is, leave the 1 in first and last digit as it is. We double the middle 2 digits. What is double of 4? That is 8. What is double of 2? That is 4. Simpler. Now nothing to do. 8 as it is. 4 plus 8, 12. And circle the 1 and take it over here. Now add 1 plus 2 plus 4. That is 7. And this one as it is. Now your answer is 1, 7, 2, 8. That is your cube of 12, which is quite simpler approach. By solving the cube in this method, you can solve the cube in less time, in shorter time. After practicing 2 or 3 or 4 questions, you will see that this is quite easier method. Now let me solve 2 or 3 same type questions. Now let's take 13. Okay. Now write both the digits 1 and 3. Now what to do? Square of 3, that is 9. Next, cube of 3, that is 27. Nothing to do with 27, nothing to do with 1. Now double the middle two digits. What is double of 9? That is 18. What is double of 3? That is 6. Now, very simple. Take this 27 as it is and circle this 2 and take it over here. Now add all these numbers. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 1, 2. Now encircle this 2 and take this 2 over here. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. Now encircle this 1 and carry it over here. 1 plus 1 gives you 2. Now your answer is 2, 1, 9 and 7. This is your cube of 13. Now let's solve one more. Take the cube of 15. Okay. What do you need to do? 1 and 5. What we do? Square of 5 is 25. And what on the next place? Cube of 5. That is 125. Look again. We write both the digits of given number 1 and 5. After that, we square the 5 and write over here. That is 25. On the next place, we cube the 5, that is 125. That is why I told you to memorize the cube of first 10 numbers, because we need all those cubes in these questions. Now, nothing to do with this 125, nothing to do with this one. Double the 25. What is double of 25? 50. What is double of 5? 10. Simply 5 and its double is 10. 25 and its double is 50. Now, this 125 as it is, and we take only 5 in our answer. We encircle this 12 and carry it over here. Now 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. Plus 5, 8. We need only 7 in our answer. Encircle this 8 and carry it over here. 5 plus 8, 13. 1 plus 1, 2. Now encircle this 2 and carry it over here. 2 plus 1, 3. Now your answer is this 3, this 3, this 7 and this 5. This is your answer of cube of 15. You might think that we are taking much more time than taken in normal approach, but after practicing 2 or 3 more questions of same sort, you will come to know that there is huge difference between the normal approach and this shortcut approach. I hope you are understanding the way I'm trying to teach you, and I'm trying to make it easier. Let's do one more. That is our cube of 18. Write 1 and 8. Now what we'll do? We'll square of 8. Square of 8 is 64. 8 8's the 64. Now cube of 8, that is 8 8's the 64. 64 8's the 512. Now we know nothing to do with this 512, nothing to do with this 1. We double 64. What is double of 64? 128, which is not difficult to count, the double of 64, and it is very easy to count double of any number. Now we'll double 8. Double of 8 is 16. Write 512 as it is. Now encircle this 551 and take it over here. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 5 plus 1, 6. 6, 6, 12. 12 to 14. And this 2. Now encircle this 24, as we don't need this 24 in our answer. Only last digit will be our digit used in our answer. 24. Take it over here. Now our 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Now encircle this 4 and take it over here. 4 plus 1, 5. Now the digits of your answer are 5, 8, 3 and 2. This is your final answer, which is the cube of your 18. In the end, I would like to suggest you that practice these sort of questions once or twice, and after that you will come to know that this is quite a quicker approach, and surely it takes less time. As I told you in the starting of video that today we'll be doing only those numbers which start with n, and we did that, and I hope I was able to make you understand this quicker approach. Thank you so much. We'll meet in our next video in which we'll be doing the numbers which end with 1, which is quite similar approach, and there will be no major difference in solving the cubes which we did today and the cubes which end with 1. Thank you once again.